Honorable Speaker, sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the caste survey findings. I am using the word findings, sir. The reason for me,
Please.
sir, kindly bring the house into order, sir. Sir, every time it is becoming like this, sir.
డాక్టర్ గారు కూర్చోండి.
Sir, please allow us to speak, sir. Sir, I am using the word findings, sir. Findings which are mentioned in the statement tabled and spoken by the Honorable Leader of the House, Honorable Chief Minister, sir.
ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్
Sir,
మీరు కూర్చోండి. పాలశంకర్ గారు కూర్చోండి. ప్లీజ్ కూర్చోండి.
sir,
మీరు కూర్చోండి. ప్లీజ్ ఇస్తాను, మీకు ఇస్తాను. కూర్చోండి.
sir, I would like to once again, sir, you should bring the house to order, sir.
ప్లీజ్ కూర్చోండి. పాలశంకర్
Sir,
గారు
it is an important issue, sir.
ప్లీజ్
Sir, I am not yielding, sir, now.
కూర్చోండి.
Sir, when I again say that, sir, about the findings, sir, once again I want to reiterate my demand, और मैं अपनी बात को फिर से दोहरा रहा हूं, sir,
పాలశంకర్ గారు కూర్చోండి.
और दोहरा रहा हूं इसलिए क्योंकि बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के साथ
ఇస్తా కూర్చోండి.
बरस से नाइंसाफी हुई, उनको उनका हक नहीं दिया गया, उनकी पसमानदगी पर हर किसी ने वोट लिया और उनके पिछड़ेपन को बताते हुए कई लोगों ने अपनी सियासी दुकानों को चमकाया जरूर, बनाया जरूर और मजबूत किया, लेकिन बीसीस के साथ कभी इंसाफ नहीं हुआ। और आज भी मैं यहां इस ऐवान में इस स्टेटमेंट पर जब बात करता हूं तो शिद्दत के साथ ये बात महसूस कर रहा हूं कि आज भी बीसीस को इंसाफ देने का किसी का इरादा नहीं है, किसी की नीयत नहीं है। अगर इरादा और नीयत है कि बीसीस को इंसाफ दिया जाएगा, बीसीस को उनका हक दिया जाएगा, तो सबसे पहली अगर कोई जिम्मेदारी थी हुकूमत की और चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब की, तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि ये जो सर्वे हुआ, इस सर्वे की रिपोर्ट को आप टेबल करना था। सर, टेबलिंग ऑफ द रिपोर्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। Unless and until the report is not tabled, what are we going to discuss? Sir, through you, I want a clarification when the Honorable Chief Minister Sahab or the BC Welfare Minister Sahab is going to rise for a reply. I request him to kindly give me the reply. We all are discussing, and Honorable Leader of the House is also saying that there is no sanctity. The report or the survey conducted by the BRS government wasn't tabled. Yes, I'm also in the house. It wasn't tabled. It wasn't an official announcement. No minister came and, gave the report to the media or for the people and public domain, sir. That is right, sir. But what is happening today, sir? Today also, the government has done a survey, but doing the same thing by not tabling the report. Sir, I really want to know the sincerity and the commitment towards the BCs, sir. If they are sincere, they are committed, and they are for the BCs, they have to table the report so that all the BCs leaders, sir, all the legislatures, all the members of the parliament, all the political parties and the leaders, and all the BC Sangam people can also read the report and see the findings of the report, sir. Sir, now, sir, many statements have been given in the House, and many statements have different figures, numbers.